What's the meaning of commissioned officer? Commissioned officer. Commissioned officer.
Commissioned officer. Commissioned officer. A commissioned officer is a member of the military who holds a position of authority deriving from a commission granted by the government. Commissioned officers are typically responsible for leading and supervising enlisted personnel. They receive training in leadership, tactics, and military strategy, and are expected to display a high level of professionalism and integrity. In general, commissioned officers hold higher ranks than non-commissioned officers, and have greater responsibilities. They play an integral role in ensuring the success of military operations, and are held to a higher standard of conduct both on and off duty.